Hi everyone, my topic is understanding culture and cultural diversity. Understanding culture and cultural diversity is essential for fostering tolerance, empathy, and effective communication in globalized world. Here are some key points to consider. So first, definition of culture. Culture encompasses the shared beliefs, values, custom, tradition, language, art, and social practices of a particular group of people. It shapes how individuals perceive the world and interact with one another. Yang bot pasabot aning culture can be defined as all the ways of life including arts, beliefs, and institution of a population that are passed down from generation. Ang bot pasabot og giunsa nato pag exist sa world ba niya gipalibutan tas pagkaon niya lahi tag mga pagkaon niya sa ritual lahi pud tas ubang lugar sa kanang mga lahi tag event na example birthday, wedding ug marriage kanang pag mga lubong ug fiesta mao nang mga tradisyonal. Ang buot pasabot sa attitude ang kinaiya nimo o giunsa nimo pag-express sa imong feelings or hingatawa o giunsa nimo pag-describe ang usa ka object is attitude na nimo ang behavior og unsay behavior nila makita ra nimo sa action observable og isog baka. Ang faith is atong tinuhoan example kanang Catholic born again. Ang custom is traditional na ang example sa custom sa dili pa ka mo sulod sa balay huboon nimo imong chinilas niya ang uban mo tahod ka mo amin mo ingon og good evening, good morning. Mao nay buot pasabot sa custom. Niya ang buot pasabot sa beliefs is Filipino beliefs example labing oneself, bayanihan nang magtinabangan niya respectful. For example, moadto kag laing balay kanang mo respect pud ka. Yan sa language lahi sa mga istoryaan abot sa laing lugar lahi pud ilaha kanang kada laing lugar lahi ang language. Yan kaning sa art, drama, and music is kanang lahi tag skills kanang hilig ba lahi tag ganahan ilaha kana nga ganahan ito at kanipod. Next is cultural diversity. Cultural diversity refers to the presence of various cultures within a society or community. It can manifest in difference in ethnicity, religion, race, language, gender, sexual orientation, and more. Cultural diversity is about appreciating that society is made up of many different groups with different interests, skills, talent, and needs. Kanang mo daig sad ka sa ubang culture, sa ubang grupo mo daig kas talent, sa uban mo daig sad ka ubang binuhatan nga in a good way ug unsay mga gikinahanglan. Niya ang example of cultural diversity is can be seen in a classroom where students come from different background, ethnicities, religion, and cultures. Benefits of understanding culture. First is promotes tolerance. Understanding different cultures help people accept and respect diverse perspectives and ways of life. Promotes tolerance. Being culturally aware allows us to acknowledge our worldviews and heritage. We get a better understanding of difference in the customs and beliefs of others, exploring and educating ourselves, strengthening ourselves. Kanang nakahibaw kag unsay culture sa uban, unsay ilang beliefs kanang customs, kanang maedukar tag unsay ilang customs ug beliefs sa uban ug ato nang i-respect. Enhances communication. Knowledge of cultural nuances aids effective cross-cultural communication. Enhanced communication is about using the methods of communication that are available to us as individuals and using them in such a way as to ensure meaning and understanding through the recognition of the limitation of others. Ang buot pasabot anang enhanced communication is kanang nakasabot kas culture sa uban, ilang beliefs, ilang religion, makasabot kas ilang talent o skills. So ang results ana is magkasinabot ra mo nindot inyong communication. Reduce stereotyping. Learning about cultures and dispel stereotypes and prejudice. Reduce stereotyping. Kanang dili nimo i-discriminate ang imong isig ka tawo. Dili nimo sila ma-discriminate kay nakasabot man kag unsay ilang culture, ilang religion, ilang customs ug ilang talent ug also ilang skills. Imong ma-appreciate kay syempre na-edukar man ta. Fosters inclusivity. It promotes inclusive practice in workplace, schools, and communities. Fostering inclusivity means creating an environment or taking action that actively support and encourage the inclusion and participation of individuals from diverse background, experience that everyone feels valued, respect, and has an equal opportunity to contribute and thrive within a particular community or organization. Ang buot pasabot anang foster inclusivity sa inyong classroom, mamino kas ubang nagtabi dayon mag-amping podcast pag-deliver sa imong opinion or imong comments para dili malain ang imong isig ka tawo. Next is cultural exchange. Encourage the sharing of ideas, art, and tradition, enriching society as whole. One example of cultural exchange in the Philippines is the annual Sinulog Festival in Cebu. Is a vibrant celebration where locals honor the Santo Niño, Child Jesus, through dance music and colorful processions. It attracts both local and international tourists, providing a platform for sharing Filipino tradition and fostering a deeper understanding of the country's rich cultural heritage. Next is challenges of cultural understanding. First is cultural bias. People may interpret other cultures through their own cultural lens, leading to misunderstanding. So, ang buot pasabot ng cultural bias is kanang i-compare ang lain-lain nga culture, imong i-judge, imong i-discriminate, maong aware ka sa cultural bias. Next is language barriers. Language is a critical aspect of culture, and miscommunication can occur when language differences exist. Ang language barriers is kanang wala mo magkasinabot ba. Example, China o Pilipinas, wala na magkasinabot karon. So, lastly, ethnocentrism. Believing one's culture is superior can hinder understanding and lead to conflicts. So, ethnocentrism kanang nituo jud ka, for example, sa ilang tulo nagstoryahanay lain-lain og language ug culture. Naay Africa, Mexico ni example, naay grupo nga Africa niingon ang taga-Africa nindot jud ilahang culture kay mas powerful niya. Nisulti sad ang taga-Mexico, mas nindot ilang culture, beliefs, custom, mas powerful, mas effective, mas superior. Kanang wala na sila magkasinabot kay ang ilang gidaigra ilahang culture. Ang Africa ug Mexico is wala na sila magkasinabot. That's all. Thank you.